The bikes haven't been cleaned since Chicago. This is the first time, and we're now just outside of Panama City on our way to Carti. And we didn't want to bring all these dirty cases on board. It's important that we clean these things. $2. Well, we're the first ones here. We just arrived. Slowly the Stahlratte is coming our way. We're by far the first ones here. The other guys have just arrived.
And you? Everything fine?
Yeah, no problem. Smooth? Yeah, everything's sweet. We all piled onto the pier, but the water was too shallow, and the boat could not come in.
What the fuck? You tell him.
Let's go.
Oh boy, this is good.
This is really quite crazy. You have to put these big bikes on this little barge. Somebody's going to end up in the water.
This Goliath of a man was a Spanish guy. He quite literally barged himself right onto the boat. He was our real-life stowaway. Consequently, we were one berth short. Not many people were pleased with the guy, as many friends were already turned down.
And nobody knew he didn't have a reservation. There goes Peter to an uncertain future. There they go. So far so good. Do I have to go forward?
Well,
I think you have
to be able to leave, right?
I think you have to sit on yours, huh? Careful, careful! Fuck. were you thinking? No damage done? Lifting anchor finally. All the bikes are aboard.
How it looks original, and we have also photos not of this boat original, but of the class of this boat original from the museum. They built something.
Was
like
it a
3,000
commercial
boats.
vessel initially?
It was like a lorry. They went out to the fishermen, get all the fish, and they bring it on shore. And the fishermen, they stayed outside.
But this was in Holland then?
But that was in Holland, yes. And then the a Norwegian family bought it, and they then built it like a fishing boat. They cut it in pieces, and they make the engine room inside. They put the big engine inside, and then they cut all the masts and make a really fishing vessel out of it.
When was that?
In the 40s. The engine is from 54. So they make this in 54. But the engine is older. It was a used engine that they used. So the engine is maybe from the 40s. We don't know exactly. It was built here in 54.
And how often do you need an overhaul in the engine?
Oh, we did it. Right now we need some overhauling. So we get a new cylinder head now in Cartegena.
Got out of town on a boat from the southern islands, sailing to reach before a following sea. She was making for the trades on the outside, and the downhill run to Papaete. Off the wind on this heading line, the markation. Got 80 feet in the waterline. Nicely making way in a noisy bar in Avalon. I tried to call you, but on the midnight watch I realized why twice you ran away. Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me, larger voices calling. What heaven brought you and me cannot be forgotten. when you see the Southern Cross for the first time. You understand now why you came this way. 'Cause the truth you might be running from is so small, but it's as big as the promise of a coming day. So I'm sailing for tomorrow, my dreams are a-dying, and my love is an anchor tied to you, tied with a silver chain. I have my ship and all her planks are a-flying. She is all that I have left, and music is her name. Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me, Lord, your voice is calling. Whatever brought you and me cannot be forgotten. I have been around the world, looking for that woman love. No love can endure, and you know it will.
Liza, here I come. Okay,
And
baby.
you know it will.
Whatever you do, don't take a piss now.
So we cheated and we lied and we tested.
By the way, Floyd,
And we never failed to fail. It was the easiest thing to do. You will survive being bested. Somebody fine will come along, make me forget about loving you. In the Southern Cross.
Arrival Cartegena. Everybody's dying to get off the boat. So now they're taking the Zodiac to bring everybody ashore.